Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm working on a goodie box that we did on our live on Friday. So we did a majority of the work already with the help of the ladies who were on my live with us or with me. So what I did, I made some roses, some, what are they called, swirl roses that everybody knows how to make. And then I just cut out some leaves from the paper collection, which is The Queen from Louisa, who is My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube. So I took some of the scraps from the collection and I made some paper roses so we could add it to our box, just some extra touches. And I did the same with the green leaves that came from the cut apart, from the background. So this is the green that's in the paper collection, and I just used that to cut some leaves, and I'm just adding it here and there to where I think we need it. So I added one rose here, added some leaves in the corner, I added one here with the Eat Me, and then one down here on the bottom corner, just so we can like finish off the look. I also added stickles to parts of the creation that we made. Added more roses. I just added 2 more roses, but this one has the gold leaf garland. I didn't want to add green to this. We voted on it. We added the gold. So that's what we have. And then on this side, I added a rose just tucked here behind the other rose, behind the giant pink rose. I also added stickles here, also to the Mad Hatter, and to the teapot and the cup of tea. So it's all, you can see the glossy accents now has dried, and it's so sparkly and shiny. Next time I'm going to use the technique that Tea Time and Roses, I believe, had showed us on her video, a DIY video, how to laminate one side. So instead of using the glossy accents, glossy accents is good if you want to use it sparingly, like only in certain spots. Like for instance, the Queen, her hair, only parts of her are shiny with the glossy accents. And her dress, you can see. Okay, so if you wanted the whole image shiny, it would be best to use the single-sided lamination. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to add a few more touches here and there. My box is not perfect, of course, because it's our first time making it, or I keep saying it's my first time making it. So be kind, whoever gets to win this is going to be part of the giveaway on Monday. So you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and following me on Instagram to participate on the giveaway. So do all of that before we go live on Monday. We're going to be live this coming Monday, the 27th, I believe. Yeah, on Monday at 9:30 we're going to go live. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the whole live, and then towards the end, before we get off, that's where I'm going to I'm going to have a number before I even go live, and then you guys just have to guess what the number is. And whoever guesses the number will win the prize. They'll win the giveaway, the goodie box, and the Memory Decks card that I have I created last week. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do. So if you want to just stay with me, I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, and I'll finish with the touch-ups, and then I'll share it again. Alright guys, so there it is. I added some bling into our center of the flowers, and I think that is it. I'm done with this little box. So the next thing I'll be working on is what I'm putting into the box, and I will record that, but I won't share it probably until after I've picked my winner for this giveaway. So thank you all for joining me, and I hope to see you on Monday the 27th for this beautiful giveaway that I'm putting together. And here is our memory decks that is going to go along with our goodie box. So have a blessed weekend and hope to see you guys on Monday. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you then. Bye.